Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the special types of cements. So we will deal with these 7 types of cements. So first of all we will see calcium chloride cement, then we will see high alumina cement, then colored cement, then waterproof cement, hydrophobic cement, masonry cement, and finally we will see the expanding cement. So first of all we will see what is meant by special type of cement. So these are the cement which are designed for the special construction purposes. And to manufacture the special type of cement, at the time of grinding or at the time of mixing, there are several admixtures, chemicals are added. So we will see this one by one. So our first type, that is calcium chloride cement. To obtain the calcium chloride cement, first of all we will see the proportion. So proportion is OPC along with the calcium chloride. Okay, calcium chloride, and the percentage of calcium chloride in this particular cement is around 2%. Okay, 2% of the OPC. So this is the basic proportion which is maintained to produce the calcium chloride cement. Then we will see the main function of calcium chloride. So calcium chloride, it increases the rate of strength development. Okay, so it increases the rate of strength development. Now we will see its uses. So it can be used for urgent repairing works or any urgent construction works. And along with that, it can be used for the cold weather concreting, as it liberates the higher heat of hydration. So it is beneficial to use in a cold weather concreting. Okay, so this is the basic proportion, then its function and uses. So this is our second type, that is high alumina cement. First of all we will see what are the ingredients, raw materials which are required to manufacture the high alumina cement. So first ingredient or raw material required, it is calcareous material. Okay, calcareous, and other one is aluminous. Okay, is aluminous. Now the difference between calcareous and aluminous material. So in the calcareous material, the main consistent is of the calcium, and in the aluminous material, the main constituent or main compound is of the alumina. Okay, alumina. So in case of high alumina cement, the aluminous material we use is in the form of bauxite. Okay, so bauxite is used in a high alumina cement, and the proportion in the percentage we can keep OPC along with around 35 to 40% of bauxite. Okay, of bauxite. So this is the basic proportion which is maintained to produce the high alumina cement. Now we will see the uses of high alumina cement. So it is used in it's used in a kilns or furnace. Okay, so it is used in a kiln, furnace, or chimneys to resist the high temperature. Okay, to resist high temperature. Okay. And along with that, it can be used against the acid attack. So it is used for resistance against acid attacks. Okay, resistance against acid attacks. So this is the basic proportions and uses of the high alumina cement. So our third type, that is color cement. Now we will see what are the raw materials which are required to produce the color cement. So to produce the color cement, we use white chalk. Okay, white chalk, or we use china clay. Okay, china clay, along with the coloring agents. Okay, along with coloring agents. Now we will see what are the coloring agents which are used to manufacture the color cement. So first one is iron oxide. Okay, first one is iron oxide. Then we use cobalt. Okay, cobalt, and we use manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide. Okay. Now we will see what are the colors that particular ingredients give. So iron oxides, it gives the red and yellow color. Okay, red and yellow color. Then cobalt gives blue color, okay, and manganese dioxide, it imparts the black color to the cement. Okay. So according to our use or purpose, we can add these coloring agents with the white chalk or china clay, and we will produce the colored cement. And then finally we will see its uses. So uses are quite easy, that is we can use it for the aesthetic looks, okay, for aesthetic looks or any decorating work, we use the color cements. Now we will move further with the waterproof cement. So to manufacture the waterproof cement, the proportion we give is OPC along with the waterproofing agents, okay, along with waterproofing agents. So the waterproofing agents which we use to manufacture the waterproof cement is, first one is ammonium stearate, okay, ammonium stearate. Then second color waterproofing agent that we use, it is oleate. Then third agent we can use, it's coal or tar or waxes. Okay. So these are the waterproofing agents which are used to manufacture the waterproof cement, and at the time of grinding it is mixed along with the OPC. Then its use, as its name indicate, it used for the waterproofing purpose, okay. So uses used for the waterproofing purpose. So this is all about the waterproofing cement. Now our fifth type, that is hydrophobic cement. It is much more similar to the waterproofing cement. So it is manufactured by OPC along with the hydrophobic agents, that is oleic acid. Also we use the stearic acid, or we use ethanochlorophene. Okay, and the percentage or the amount that we insert it along with the OPC, it is around 0.1 to 0.4%. okay. Now we will see its uses. Okay, so as we all know that when we keep the OPC or any cement in the humid condition, then the quality is start decreasing, that is deterioration of the cement happens. So to avoid these conditions, the hydrophobic cement is used. So it can be used in the storage places, or we can say in the humid storage places. Okay, humid storage places. So this is much more similar to the waterproofing cement. So this is all about the hydrophobic cement. So our sixth type, that is masonry cement. Now we will see the proportion of the raw materials. So to manufacture the masonry cement along with the OPC, we use hydrated lime. Okay. Hydrated lime. Sometimes we use granular slag. Okay. Granular slag. Or in some cases we use crushed stone. Okay, so crushed stones are also used to manufacture the masonry cement. Okay, now we will see some properties of masonry cement. So it gives good workability. Along with that, it prevents shrinkage. Okay, so it prevents shrinkage and along with that, it also prevents the water retentivity. Okay, water retentivity. So as we already know that, so the masonry, whatever it may be, stone or brick, it absorbs the water from the mortar. So due to that, the bond between cement, mortar and masonry gets disturbed. So to avoid that, we use the masonry cement. So its uses, obviously it is used for the masonry work. So it's used for masonry works. So this is all about the masonry cement. Now we will move towards our last topic, so that is expanding cement. So the proportion of the raw material for expanding cement, OPC, along with the sulfo-aluminate. Okay, sulfo-aluminate. Okay, now we will see its uses. So it can be used to eliminate the cracks. So it eliminates the cracks. Okay, and along with that it can be used for the grouting purpose. So it is used for grouting. So this is all about the expanding cement. So in the next video we are going to see the various tests on the cement. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.